What we are doing, we're doing sadhana. Vaidhi sadhana, Raganuga sadhana, Vaidhi bhakti, sadhana bhakti, whatever, depending on whoever you are, your advancement. And by doing sadhana, we're trying to position ourselves, put ourselves in a favorable position. A favorable position to attract the mercy of the Lord. Because we know that this is one of the most powerful and attractive qualities of Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Especially Krishna, although Vishnu has also this quality. But Krishna has this quality in umpteenth degree. It's called Bhaktavatsala. Bhaktavatsal. Krishna is so affectionate to his devotees. Even if you pretend to be a devotee, even if you dress yourself as a demigoddess, you dress yourself like the goddess of fortune, poison, Kalakuta poison that could kill 10,000 men, and you come to me to kill me, I will show my love to you. Can you conceive of such compassion? Such anugraha? It's called para-anugraha. 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 The supreme, topmost expression of mercy. Anugraha.